Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Filter Perfect. What is Natural Chemistry Filter Perfect? Natural Chemistry Filter Perfect is a highly concentrated deep cleaning solution that removes buildup on filters caused by oils, grease, non-living organics, and more. Filter Perfect improves filter efficiency and lengthens cycles between filter cleaning. This natural enzyme-based filter cleaner is safe to use with any filter type. Can be used on both pool and spa filters. Product benefits: naturally based filter cleaner formulated with SMARTZyme technology. Non-toxic formula. Acid-free, no fumes. Non-foaming. Powerful formula works on all filter types. Improves filter efficiency, longer filter runs. Easily disposed. Usage directions for cartridge elements or diatomaceous earth filter grids. Step 1. Remove cartridge elements or DE grids from filter tank and hose off loose material. Step 2. In a pail, bucket, or trash container with 5 to 10 gallons of water, add 1 liter bottle of Filter Perfect. Place cartridge elements or DE grids in solution and soak for a minimum of 6 hours, preferably overnight. Step 3. Remove from solution and rinse thoroughly. Clean cartridge elements should be allowed to dry before reinstalling. Usage directions for sand filters. Step 1. Have pump running and filter in backwash mode. Suction should come primarily from skimmer, not main drain. Step 2. Add 1 liter bottle of Filter Perfect to skimmer. Once contents of bottle has entered the filter, turn pump off and put valve in either close or filter position for a minimum of 6 hours. Step 3. Turn pump on with filter set to backwash. Run until water flows clear. Do not allow pump to run dry. Return filter to normal operation. Use a weekly dose of Natural Chemistry's Pool Perfect or Spa Perfect to further extend filter cycles, reduce maintenance, and maintain clear, perfect water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.